And action.
Are you hurt? No. We're here to help you get... Sorry.
Do your last line again, babe. We're here to help you get the key to baby doll. Come with us. Action.
We're here to help you get the key to...
Go again. Action. Camera rolling, action!
Hey, woman! Sorry, I couldn't pick my axe up on you.
Dad.
I pick my axe up when I lift you up.
Okay. Cool, do you want to throw the axe?
Throw the axe.
Yeah, and then use two hands? Yeah, okay. Okay. Everyone okay?
That's not kicking me.
I'll take one!
It's okay, we'll go again.
Bring me the key from the temple. Eager to impress Larix.
Everyone has an angel, a guardian who watches over us. We can't know what